Ethereum value equivalent to $20.66 a coin. The present reach. $1,883, $2,090. The earlier day close. $1,889. The change was plus 177, plus 9.37%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for November 2023. To start with, cost at $18.16. Greatest cost $2,169, least cost $1,766. The normal for the month $1,942. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,018, change for November 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $20.18. Greatest cost $2,473, least cost $1,896. The normal for the month $2,133. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,145, change for December 6.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $21.45. Most extreme cost $2,494, least cost $2,145. The normal for the month $2,279. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,331, change for January 8.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $23.31. Greatest cost $2,533, least cost $2,201. The normal for the month $2,358. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,367, change for February 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $23.67. Greatest cost $2,367, least cost $1,952. The normal for the month $2,196. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,099, change for spring 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset, cost at $20.99. Most extreme cost $2,156, least cost $1,874. The normal for the month $2,036. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,015, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $20.15. Greatest cost $2,225, least cost $1,933. The normal for the month $2,063. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,079, change for May 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $20.79. Most extreme cost $2,229, least cost $1,937. The normal for the month $2,082. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,083, change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $20.83. Most extreme cost $2,288, least cost $1,988. The normal for the month $2,124. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,138, change for July 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with, cost at $21.38. Greatest cost $2,603, least cost $2,138. The normal for the month $2,328. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,433, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $24.33. Greatest cost $2,633, least cost $2,289. The normal for the month $2,454. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,461, change for September 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. Before all else, cost at $24.61. Most extreme cost $3,055, least cost $2,461. The normal for the month $2,708. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,855, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at $2,855. Greatest cost $2,855, least cost $2,457. The normal for the month $2,702. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,642, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $1,328. Most extreme cost $1,648, least cost $1,328. The normal for the month $1,461. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,540, change for January 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset cost at $1,540. Most extreme cost $1,540, least cost $1,251. The normal for the month $1,419. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,345, change for February 12.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $1,345. Greatest cost $1,669, least cost $1,345. The normal for the month $1,480. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,560, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place cost at $1,560. Greatest cost $1,854, least cost $1,560. The normal for the month $1,677. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,733, change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $1,733. Greatest cost $1,733, least cost $1,355. The normal for the month $1,570. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,457, change for May 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Initially cost at $1,457. Most extreme cost $1,520, least cost $1,322. The normal for the month $1,430. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,421.